Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to go incognito mode on Brave browser. So in order for you to do this process, first thing that you will do guys is of course go ahead and open up your Brave browser and go to one of your profile. And now in order for you to make the incognito mode, you can just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then here, as you can see, you could do the shortcut key, which is Ctrl Shift N, and it will open up a new tab. And as you can see, you will have an option over here, private window. And now you could also manually do it by selecting the three lines over here and new private window. And guys, you will also have a new private window with Tor. So pretty much this window doesn't store browsing actively from private windows. With Tor connectivity, it becomes more difficult for sites to see your true IP address. And as you can see, it is much a stronger incognito window. So pretty much this one is much safer. And guys, from here, if you go for incognito, remember that the data will not be recorded. So anything you do over here, the history, the data, you log in, and if you close the window, it will not save everything. And pretty much that's the purpose of incognito. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.